Today we're going to show you how to apply the Ossur Cold Rush pads. When you receive your pad, you should receive a paper. This is a skin warning, and it serves as a reminder to never place the pad directly on your skin. You can use any barrier you want. You can use a piece of clothing. Just never apply the pad directly to your skin. Also, once you put your pad hooked up to your machine and add water to it, it is not returnable or exchangeable, so make sure you have the correct pad before you run water through it. Also, we sell freezer bags. These are an awesome way to keep that water nice and cold for as long as possible. These can be used in conjunction with the ice cubes, or they can take the place of ice cubes. You simply fill them, freeze them, add them to the cooler, and then add your water. And if you want to see how to properly use them, be sure and check out the video that we have included in the description box. Now, let's show you how to apply your Ossur Cold Rush pads.
Quick reminder, if you find the video helpful, please subscribe to our channel or think about giving us a like. It's a simple, free way to support us, and it helps us create content for you. Also, you can purchase the products featured in the video directly from our YouTube store. Now let's get back to the review.
Today we're going to show you how to apply the Ossur Cold Rush shoulder pad. Now keep in mind there are two sizes. There is the small shoulder pad and the large. If your chest is under 42 inches, you would want to go with the small. If you are 42 inches or more, you would want to go with the large. So today we're going to apply the small. Once you get it, go ahead and take it out of the bag. And the nice thing about the Ossur pads is that they come with instruction booklets, and there are some really great pictures in here that show you how to apply the pads. So before you put the pad on, you need to lay it out and attach your straps. Now the shoulder pad is going to come with 3 straps. Of course, you have the long one that's going to come around your chest. Then you've got 2 smaller ones. One is going to go around your bicep and one is going to come under your arm. However, you may not necessarily need the one that goes under your arm, and if not, it's okay to omit that one. So let's go ahead and attach our long strap first. Then we're going to attach the one here at the bottom. And then if you do choose to use the underarm strap, it's going to come right in the middle here, kind of at an angle. So once you get your straps in place, they should look something similar to this. So we're going to go ahead, put the pad on, and you're going to need to bring around your long strap and attach it first. It is a little bit tricky attaching the shoulder pads by yourself, so if you have another person to help you, that would be ideal. But if not, it can be done on your own. It just takes a little bit of patience. So then I'm going to take the bottom strap and bring it around next before we do the underarm strap. Get it secure here. And then finally, I am bringing around the underarm strap. And like I said, if you don't need it, you can omit that one. And this is also where you can adjust your straps and kind of loosen or tighten them. But once you've got it in place, it should look something similar to this right here. Once you've got it secure, you're ready to hook up the hose from your shoulder pad to the hose from your cooler and begin your therapy. Now that you know how to apply your Ossur Cold Rush pad, be sure to check out the next video where we show you how to use your Ossur Cold Rush system. And as we like to say around here, let's get back to living.